Hey YouTubers, good morning, Robb Moffett. Guys, for the last over 30 days, month and a half, I've been doing an exercise program every morning after I walk the dog, because I found out if I wait, I'll keep thinking of excuses and it'll be midnight and I'll be too sleepy. So right after I walk the dog, I do 45 minutes or an hour. This video is about what's the best equipment to get if you're just starting out, and in my opinion, it's a mat. If you're not comfortable, you live in an apartment, you got hard floors, you're not going to do your exercises. This mat is the best thing I've ever bought for exercises. But you don't have to spend a lot of money. The mat cost me like 12-15 bucks, but I've got an exercise band I made out of an old inner tube tire. It didn't cost me anything. And it works pretty good. I've already broken it 3 times, tied it back in knots. I've got a 15-pound weight for $5 at thrift store. Got a bicycle I found in the garbage. Well, the trampoline, it did cost me like 30-40 bucks, but it's excellent. So you don't need a lot of money to develop an exercise program. The most important muscle for you to develop, in my opinion, is a habit muscle. You need to develop the exercise program into a habit, and that's what I'm trying to do. And after 30 days, I think I've got the habit now. So now I can start developing different exercises if I want to. And because I have a mat, I'm comfortable doing it. Rolls up, doesn't take any space apartment. I think exercise mat is about the best investment you can make if you want to start an exercise program, in my humble opinion. Also, I listen to my Tony Robbins tapes while I'm exercising. So yeah, I'm pumped. I feel good. And hope this little tip gets you guys motivated. If an old geezer like me can start something new, you can too. See you out there.
My name is Rex, and if you study with my 8-week program, you will learn a system of self-defense that I developed over 2 seasons of fighting in the octagon. It's called Rex Kwon Do!